What up, YouTube, and all my Ryker riders out there? Got another one in for the Ryker Doctor. We're gonna do these HID inserts for the front grille from Sling Mods, and we're gonna add some more of those motorcycle lights to the Can Am Ryker. Let's do it. We also gonna be upgrading the battery. So we're gonna take this out, take all that out, put in a new battery. No, I just see you call. Okay, so here we access the auxiliary port and we put in the extension, and now we ran it up. Removed the panels, of course, ran the wire under the glove front, and then this is going to power the two HID lights for the grill inserts. So we're going to clean this area here with alcohol and prep this area for the lights. All of this is going to get cleaned off. Then of course we're going to prime both sides after we clean it, and we're going to also run the wire behind, so you're going to have to remove that, unclip it, so you can get access to the front. It's easier to run the wires if you disconnect everything.
Just LED. They don't change.
Snapped in.
Change the signal.
Snapped in.
It's like these, right?
Yeah, but those are red. Those are white.
Right. That's the ones he sent you.
Huh?
That's the ones he sent you? Your cousin?
Which one?
Down south.
Which one?
The red ones on the back.
No. Those are trick LED too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, those are trick LED.
Yeah, they look good.
Oh yeah. Staying out.
Look a little green and a little yellow and white.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, those tough. They do look yellow or green on
the side, right?
Yeah, those are.
And then the A-arm light should meet with it. You know, it looked like it'll meet with it a little bit.
Yeah, when we put those on.
Because, you know, the way they come across, it almost pattering up with the red caps. Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to replace that battery with this battery here. Quad flex. To upgrade, since we got a lot of things attached to this battery, like speakers. So the cool thing about this battery is we have connections for red, double connections, so we don't have too many things piled up. And what's good about that is you're able to tighten up the screws really tight without having everything piled up on one terminal. So we're just going to slide this battery in. And we're just going to start reconnecting. Easy. New battery installed. Of course, I had to put it right. Positive, negative, double terminals to add extra stuff. Everything's on there nice and tight. Zip tied up. Front ends look dope. Lights look nice. Sitting there real nice. Now we're gonna add some motorcycle lights to the side.